We will have a look at how we can get model elements from Revit and export their parameters into Excel. In this instance, we will select all of the walls within our project. Right away, we can see their element IDs along with family names. We can also select by category so that it selects all elements of that category. Perhaps if it's a busy model, it may be easiest with this method. We can then specify which parameters we want to export into Excel. In this case, we'll pick the mark values. We can clean up the information and then export it into Excel. And now we can see the parameters that we specified. We also have the ability to add as many parameters as necessary.